see. Saturday, January 9th, and almost all the siding is off the house. I understand the new siding is probably in. Hopefully it'll get installed next week. Put the rest of the windows in, flash it, button it up, tighten the place up. We're still missing the rest of the steel. It's still lying around in places like this, front yard. And so there's quite a bit. There's a big beam. There's a big beam that's going to go right in here to support this structure over the garage. You guys are doing a great job despite all this very cold weather. January 31st. Let's get a quick check on see what's happening here with the construction house. With the construction here at our home. Let's go outside first, turn this camera around. Pretty exciting. January 31st. And what's happening now is we're actually getting the siding, which was delivered about a week or so ago. And there is a major storm coming, so let's just take a look and see what these guys are up to. It's a very pretty gray, and it does look fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. I don't know how they're staying warm in this weather, but they're, I guess, just moving around a little bit. And this is a new cement-based. This is a new cement-based, already painted tile. Kind of interesting. Must be a little bit harder to cut. And it does look great. These guys are getting ahead of the storm too. See how much they get done. All right. All right, so one of the reasons you should always wear a hard hat when you're on a construction site is because just this afternoon with a cap I managed to walk right into this scaffolding over here. I gotta tell you, that wasn't too cool. All right, let's go in the house now. Walk up the stairs. I'll show you they put the new stairs in. And, there we are back inside the main foyer. The existing staircase is covered up right now. The temporary wall I showed you the other day. And then again, the new stairs that went in on Friday. New windows. Up to the second level. Here's my ladder I've been looking for. Be careful not to fall through the thing. So here we are upstairs, and probably a little storm coming here soon. I'm hoping we don't get too much inside. But they've been doing electrical, they've been doing HVAC, all the silent floors, and you can see all the plumbing. I think we're making some real good progress. All right, that's it for now. Stay tuned next week.